Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Woody's Real Time Fishing. It's around 2:50 a.m. in the morning. I'm here in Jacksonville, Florida at the George Crady fishing bridge. And today we're going to be trying to get some big fish. Some redfish, black drum. And the usual, I'm going to fill my cooler up with croaker spot and whitey. And we're going to see what we can do. I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel and everyone that watches my channel. It's been a year since I had my channel. From as of September 27th, it's been 1 year. So I would like to really appreciate everybody's viewing, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. And if we don't catch fish, well, never mind. I always catch fish when I come out here. So stay tuned and let's see what we can get. And also, to let y'all know, I'm using my cell phone because that last video I did in Melbourne Beach, Florida, was out catching bait and a big wave hit me and took out my GoPro 3. So on a good note is I have a GoPro 4 coming in the mail, so I'll have that next week for my next trip. My friends are supposed to come up and we'll be back here at George Crady Bridge to show them how fishing in Florida is done. So stay tuned for that. And for future, I'm trying to get together a trip to go down to Key West. So that has to be planned because I know it's going to take some money. And probably have to stay overnight and everything. So stay tuned for that sometime in the future. Don't know when yet, but I'll let you know when the time comes. So without further ado, I'll just be posting pictures since I don't have my GoPro. So of all my catches. So stay tuned. And here we go.